Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat kibakong san mentakasngi kilong. Kentu kidong yalam shnong ya ka social welfare ban play bon ki jaka sumar ya ki balangat haudro. Dawa ke INC Meghalaya ya menteri ketenat puli putih keri India ban hiar syukino. Da ka awareness program penong ke office district social welfare hajirang. Da ka basketball ong ya udrak penlong ke office district sports nongpo. Bamentang ini pai syaki Khubor ki bakambania. Katanat social welfare jang sarkar Meghalaya rengkat ke jinga trelang ke Good Samaritan Society kam counseling outreach and drop-in center hak arpusan tarik kala lum mikinong yalam shnong kinong yalam niam ki sengken thei senglong kme bat ki pulit kalum danger police outpost hak jinga lang ha community hall mission compound Shillong ban rakhi ya international day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking halor kapang pedeng Nakshamukt Bharat Abhiyan ke pechan ban hikai bat pensngut ho pat ba halor kajingma na kajingkerni ban pendan kam ya udrok. Hakani kesngi la yo jing pensyai na ka Dr. W. Shira psychiatrist Nimhans jang ka sarkar Meghalaya hakabaya day halor kajingop jang kibreu hakajing di penbuat kum haudrok pat kakiat. Hakani kesngi kiri orang ba bat kilong kumi kinong yalam syong kiseng kenthei kiseng long kumi kinong yalam niam bat naka polis kilayo lat ban penpau bat ban pen i pat ba ya kijing jang kisamla haba kilangop hakajing kerni bat pendan kam yaudrok cisin balangop hakini kijing di kum kidrok bat kikiat kalong kabae bat kebajuat ban bethat eki. Kini kiri orang ba abat kilong kumi ki bala poisya kan ni kijing elang kila ajing modru ikatanat social welfare ban play bon ki jaka sumar naga benta ki sama shinrang bat kenthei ki balangat bat ki bakwa abat bethat ya ki saite saikhum jong kini kijing di basharkai
Kristensi hostana Indonesia ba kublai ya ka district social welfare jong East Hills kabla shim ka jingke klik long ini dengan program yang baga society ke mengintip katang ka Good Samaritan Society hagaba belum yang IP yang ibarolang banyulum dengan jaka banyak kerentak ko ke issue ta ke issue ke jing syak hartama bacarja how drugs then kong cha ba penitu IP ba kertang jonga ngade Samla kriam ngade snong try tin meliam but ngade way ni ki officers ani sub inspector badan hang thia pa lu danger police station try kita kirang ba snong kinong yalam snong be itu yang ka dan thila sansnap te ka jingi tung khop kam ka jingi dai kam songa ba phi but kiwe ki ba ki dong ki thai ba chan ka try kala long nak por shukwa te hakani Khubor nikong isha shua bagan poi shakamat kaban ajmut na ayan kong sa kaching ay kublay kini ki arot ki riuslur di barjir di baban sum kalau day ni kita akan uksa juga jingjok ya katama kabapi pilasya hiya tama na saya yongi ki kena ni bapak yang ti ba kibriu lada pipi dan yang ngop kaching di Pidei kabut, rela dapat tangnut, mansim yang karai, ban ino, ban pipidei kita berusul. Dengan semua pipidei kita berusul, dengan semua kerpat di piwa, soba lagi cinta peti bacam mana tak kita ada. Te ban suam, ladang ayam yang ni dah uniform masuk, bangadai way ni kita baru persen kita kata. Law Implementing Agency ke Police Department lani kaban shu lada shu perkat lingkot baik pincu ambai kadi kejakaban ajeng penstom iki balai kamsni ban ngatrai lada kitang ya kimilenti lada kitang ya perkat sak tentang ngatrai lalu ngenum job iki ni ketama kita bahasno kisah ngentai kisah Samla ki clubs ki self help groups baru gitu gede Law Implementing Agency. Kalau saya kemudian kedua provision sebab pencipta peniu, right? Limba kecing start kecing pi, counseling kecing pi kecing keren kecing pi, kita harus kita kiai di bawah pilawan benar kami gitu kena nomor ladang syukran baik kumbakalong ngidang suya kemen baik tang habayobat ikino di drugs re ngindon pakalin tiban penjam lagi re tu ngin sim kajing kemen pangilaban penjam kajing kemen pangilaban
Kinongelam ke Indian National Congress Meghalaya kala penram jur ya kajing lait tu kijing keli jang ke National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NET dang shen hakalengkari. Habakran shikilat pathai Khubor haka arkusan tarik Jylliew ha office jang ke seng u chairman ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Social Media Cell ba lang kuparwar ulaong kan need kamde kajing pang hendrai kade kidak jang kajing kelem jang ke system bar ke sorkar kapan payaka. Ubawar ulaong kan National Testing Agency NTA kala aya kata kajing kular bahkan umdan kata kajing bakla hendrai kan need undergraduate arhajar arpun reu kala lai tu. Ulaong ru lada pet ya kajing long jingman kapuli puthi hari India kala hiar hadu kata-kata. Kajing duna kinong hikai kadai kawai na kidau kabala penlong ya kajing hiar kakerdan puli puthi. Kaseng Kongres Keladawan o Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih jangkari ban hiar syukino mardor barban shim ya kajing kitkli ya kani kajing lait tu jang kijing kli mentaus nem. Ka Kongres Keladawaru bantung deka kenhun tokit bakarpang independent time bound investigation halor kanit bat NTA bat pelait bat ba ya kijing lap jong kani ka kenhun tokit.
The NEET leak, paper leak, is just a symptom. I think most of you are aware of what happened in the last 1 month with regards to the leakage of the NEET paper. This was in May, and 5 days after the exam was conducted, it had to be cancelled when a leak was detected. There was a guidebook that was in circulation, and when the investigators checked the data and the information of the guidebook, they realized that almost 60 to 70% of the questions that were being circulated actually were from the main paper. That's the reason. That's the main reason why the NEET exam was cancelled eventually, and it was rescheduled in June. And the numbers are quite staggering because if you look at the numbers, more than 22 lakh aspirants had to attend this exam, and it was cancelled in May, as I mentioned earlier, because a guest paper circulating in coaching hubs was found to overlap heavily with the real paper. It was reconducted on 21st June 2026 at 5,440 centers across 551 cities and 14 centers abroad, mobilizing hundreds and thousands of personnel. So for us, this repeated leakage of question papers is a great cause of concern. I'm saying this Rahul Gandhi opened his speech in Kota. He said, this is not about the Congress, and he was not going to talk about the Congress or the BJP. This is us, parents, concerned citizens. For example, I'm a third generation teacher, and my colleague over here, Mr. Bantra, is a teacher, by profession. He runs a school. Manuel has families, right, who are in the teaching profession. Like I said, I'm a third generation teacher. My family, has set up 2 schools. We've set up 1 college, and on top of that, almost all my cousins, all my aunts are in the teaching profession. So for us, it's really a cause of concern because the need, it's just a symptom. The disease, the ailment is somewhere else, and for us, we felt that it's very, very important that that we highlight where the ailments are. And for us to understand where the issues are, we have to look at the numbers. For example, I've shared the numbers with you. If you look at the combined public spending on education from 2013 to 14, it's 3.8% of GDP. The combined public spending on education center plus states in 2021 has increased, no doubt, to 4.64% of the GDP. But I want to draw your attention to the latest PRS estimate on the combined spending, that is 2022-2023, which indicated there has been a drop in the percentage of GDP of the budgetary allocation. Now, if you look at the NEP,
Ka Office District Social Welfare Ribhoi District haka jinge trelang bar ka Office Mera Yuva Bharat Ribhoi haka arpusan tarik Jylliew kalapan long ya ka program ai jing hikai ban penklan ya ka jinge le persya ya udrok pat ki wei pat ki jing di bapen buat haka jinge lang pat ba ka bala long ha Jirang Government High Secondary School Jirang. Ya kani ka program hikai pat ba lapan long halor ka phang pedeng Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan pan rakhe ya ka National Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Kajing temu jong kani ka program kalong ban pensngot ho ya ki Samla pule halor ki jing ma bat ki jing ban sau ki ba penjat ya kajing em jong ubreo na kajing kerni ha kajing di drug bat ka kiat ba bonjat. Ha kani ka program ki reu shampang ki bala khot sngoba ki la ai jing kran bat yaselok bat ki khana skul daga ba kentu ki ban jet ya kalenti ka ba khoi ba suba bat ban kiar na ki nu ki jing di ki bala ban penjat ya kalawe. Ha kani ka jing lang Barok balawan benshim bentai kila shim ya karai kut bat soi kerteng pledge ceremony bat signature campaign banam tarekti ya kini ki jingdi bapen buat ha ka jing em jongki ki khana school kila smai banam pedon kam ya udrok ni kinu ki jingdi bapen buat bat ban em ka jing em ka ba khoi lapan shlur ki samla ban shim benta ha ki jing le kai ba pher ban pentibit ya ladi ha kani ka program lawan ban ai jing hikai halor kani ka phang da Dr. S. Maxwell Lingdo, counselor but career expert in Shillong, usamla Alfred Doloy, chairman joka SSSS Ribhoi Sepngi, kong Priscilla Shongwan, program coordinator, My Bharat Ribhoi, paduba leader Thongni, nong hikai Jirang Government High Secondary School.
What if the girl is very beautiful but she's got red teeth? What will you do? No! You'll reject, okay. What about the girls? Do you like guys with red teeth or white teeth? White teeth, okay. So what happens when we abuse is we are eating non-stop. Have you seen people eating kwai or raja khaini or whatever, duman, all that non-stop? That is where we abuse. Okay, we start abusing our body. Third concept is drug dependency. So what is drug dependency? I cannot live anymore without substances. Okay, so there is a documentary that has actually reached the UN. Okay, so this documentary was built on these tribals who are actually working in the tea gardens. It is towards, Silchar, Tezpur, that area. So there is one tribe, okay? So someone did a documentary on them because there is something about them, about this particular tribe. You know what's unique about this particular tribe? There is very high rate of women dying, mothers dying when they deliver children, babies, or if the mother doesn't die, the babies die. So everyone wants to know what happened, what's happening in this particular area, in this particular tribe. Why are babies dying, infants dying at the time of giving birth? Sometimes the mother also dies, the child also dies. So they did a documentary, so they went and stayed in this village. What types of addiction? We have opium, or we call it ganja. Do you get ganja this side? Yes, no? No. It's not there? Huh? It's there. You get from some shop, or is it sold in hiding dealer? Okay. This is the plan. Second type of drugs is smokeless. It is tobacco, but it is smokeless. Okay. So most of the women, do they eat duma? Raja. Biri. Can I see your hands? Those who smoke biri? One hand, two hands. More? Just two hands. Such good guys you are. Okay, right. Now I went to one particular school and I asked, do you smoke cigarette? They said, no sir, we don't smoke cigarette because it's very expensive. We smoke biri. Okay, so I said, why do you smoke biri? They said, they get 20 sticks, is it? She packet. She packet. Huh? 18, 18, okay? So they said, I'll tell you how it is, okay? In Shillong we say,
Kum kaway na kilat ban pensngothu eki samla puli halor ki jingma ki bami na ka jing pendan kam ya udrok bat ki way ki jat jingdi penbuan. Ka Office of District Sports Officer Ribhoy ha ka jing trelang bat ka District Social Welfare Office Ribhoy District mentaka sngi kala penlong ya ka jing lekai basketball. Ya kani ka jing lekai la penlong hamadan lekai jong ka Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo kum shibanta jong ka jing rakhe ya ka National Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ban ai ka Khubor persha ya ka jing pendan kam bakla ya ki jing di penbuat. Ha kani ka sngi lawan ban sakhilang ya ka jing lekai do uba GLC Milim Assistant Commissioner ka Ribhoy rengkat berkakong NF Sun District Social Welfare Officer Pak Bobby L Nongbet DSO Ribhoy kong Nafi Marwen Vice President ka Meghalaya Basketball Association lambat kiwe. Haka jing lekai basketball la sakhi ya ka jing ya khun ka ba itanat hapadeng ka kunhun jong ka Ribhoy College persha ya ka Ribhoy District Basketball Association. Ka jing ya khun kala long ka ba itanat bha henre ha ka ba kut ka Ribhoy District Basketball Association kala la ban khur ya ka jing job da ka ba penlim ya ka Ribhoy College da arhusau la khatsan basket. Kum kadak jong ka jing ai men sia mi kinong yele kai na kalyang kinong penyat kilasa mi ki khusnam bat ki trophy shabaro arteli ki kunhun bala shimbenta hakani ka jing yele kai basketball.
And every effort you make on this court shows how much the positive energy you have towards sports. Remember, you are the young future. The youths are the future of our generation today. So as a youth player, you should remember that you should not get involved in all these bad things that relates with this world today. I as a youth leader, I as a sports person, I would like to wish each and every one of you a successful life and a successful journey in your everyday life. Remember, you are a player. Each team has a player and you have to play with discipline. You have to play with unity and teamwork. Every team has a teamwork. Teamwork works. Remember, you have to put discipline over distraction, dreams over drugs. So I congratulate all the organizers, the officials, the school, and especially to each and every one of you from Ribhoy College and from the Ribhoy District Meghalaya Basketball Association. A very good success in your future, and thank you once again for this beautiful event organized by the District Sports Office in collaboration with the Ribhoy District Meghalaya Basketball Association and the District Social Welfare Office in aid of drug abuse and illicit trafficking. Thank you so much.
And every player for taking part in this program. The fact that you're part of this today and you're not spending your time elsewhere shows your dedication, your discipline, and even with regards to the rains, you've been here, you've taken part in the program. Thank you so much for that, and it shows that you're already one step ahead on the right track. I'd like to congratulate the DSO for organizing such a successful program today. But as we end this program today, we should not forget why we're here as well. All of you may not turn out to be NBA basketball players. All of you may not represent the state. However, the qualities you've learned from the sport that you love playing, I hope you inculcate these qualities, these characteristics in your daily life. For instance, the fact that you're playing basketball today shows your long-term thinking. Drugs may give you short-term pleasure, but it affects you harmfully in the long term. And I do not want to elaborate too much on that because you already know about the harmful effects of drugs. However, I want to urge all the young students, all the young players out here to kindly do not give up sports, but in fact build your discipline, your character should be built through sports, and always take up sports even when you can't play at a professional level. Always remember about the important qualities of sports because it translates.
Bada kitu ki Khubor hingla poish ka bakut terhadu bangin daya shambiang Khublai Shibun.